Hey guys, and we're back again. So, what I wanted to talk to you about this time is searching and finding. Now, those two things seem linked, right? We're searching in order to find something. It seems to make perfect sense, but here's the thing. I think, and this is just a theory, so might be wrong, but I doubt it. I think that a lot of the programs we are using are getting us addicted to searching and keeping us from actually finding. And I'll give you some very specific examples of that. If I'm single and I want to meet someone, I might go to certain apps like dating apps or dating sites, and I will look at profiles and I'll keep searching, right? Like, oh, that person's nice, that person's nice, oh, he's cute, she's cute, all those things. You have all these options, and sometimes you match with someone and you start a conversation, but while you're starting a conversation there are still all these options, all these other individuals with interesting pictures and interesting profiles, so you keep searching. And what happens is you never actually give the people you've already matched to a chance. You're not going to connect. You're not going to fully engage into a conversation with them, into a possibility of actually getting to know that person, because you keep getting tricked by all the other options. So you keep searching. And I'm pretty sure that's the whole idea behind dating apps and dating sites. It's not for you to find, it's for you to keep searching, because if you keep searching, they keep getting the ad revenue, they keep getting the money from you watching advertisements. So it makes perfect sense to keep us addicted to the search and not to the actual finding. So if you want to actually find someone to connect with, at some point you're going to have to realize that. And you're going to have to say, okay, I matched with this person, I've looked at the profile, I'm having a conversation here, and right now I'm going to make a conscious choice to no longer look at all the other options and to just take a few days, weeks, months, whatever it takes to get to know this person and see if we are an actual match and if maybe something can come of it. If then you find out that you're not actually a match, you can always go back to searching and find out when you're going to connect to the next person. But you gotta at some point make that decision, become aware enough to step back from the search to actually be able to find. And it's essentially the same with things like Instagram and Facebook and all that, isn't it? Because there too, you keep looking at your wall and you keep seeing all these interesting posts and you keep scrolling again and again and again. Right? You keep refresh. Oh look, new fun things. Refresh. Oh look, new fun. Try again. New fun things. But in the meantime, you're not actually connecting with anyone. You're not actually getting to know anyone. So here's something you can do in that regard. What you can do is, if you notice that there's certain posts that get your interest or that you enjoy, see what happens if when you click there, the person behind it, take a look at what's on their wall. Take a look at who they are, what other posts they have that you enjoy. I mean, you'll see that there might be like 5 people whose posts and pictures and stuff you like more than most others, right? So these people might actually have something in common with you. And if you take the time to check their page out and to really kind of want to get to know them, you can then have a conversation, see if you can grab a coffee, see if you can maybe just become friends. Maybe become more than Facebook friends, more than Instagram friends, but actually connect with them. And And that way you can actually find a connection and not just be Facebook friends, long distance shit, right? So all these pages are getting us addicted to the search, when none of it is helping us find right up until we decide that it's time to start finding. So there's a challenge for you. Well, actually, it's not a challenge, it's a decision. If you feel lonely, if you feel disconnected, which makes perfect sense in this corona era, if you have feelings like that and you find yourself scrolling on websites that are people related in whatever way, go behind it. Go look at the ones you're actually connecting with and choose to connect deeper. Choose to beat the system. It's not a good phrase. I hate it, but it does kind of make sense in this case. If you want to actually connect with people, you're going to have to beat that system and make a conscious choice to start to actually connect with people. Start finding and stop searching. And if you find that hard to do, just give yourself like 2 weeks. 2 weeks focusing on one person, or 2 or 3 or whatever, but get that focus back. Stop allowing yourself to be scattered all over the internet and get your focus back to certain people that you actually enjoy. And see what happens with your social life, see what happens with your energy, with your happiness, with your joy, and with the ability to attract the good things in life. Stop searching, start finding. That is my tip for today. So, I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!